Hi, we're going to try the same experiment here with these bricks. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, well 3.5 bricks here to do. These have been most exposed to the elements, so they went first. They've basically come off, probably kids standing on them or something, but well no, they're exposed, so they're more likely to degrade first. So I'm going to try the same technique here as I did previously. And the preparation for this was to chip away the mortar, which is why it looks quite fresh here. Chip away all the old mortar, enough space to put some new mortar on, and use a brush to sweep away any bits. So we'll get a clear adhesion. I'll be using a 3.5 scoops to 1 ratio of builder sand to cement. It's stronger than usual because I think this is obviously a problem area, and of course you might lose a little bit of adhesion with the glitter stuff too. There we go, all done. Not world-class pointing for anyone watching the video on time-lapse. Good reason for that is I've never done pointing before. Well, actually I did. I once did this brick here with what looks like pure mortar. So I have done it before, equally as bad, actually worse. So yeah, I'm getting better, I think. But we're going to try and have a little look at what this looks like. You can see it's pretty glittery already. Well, I don't know if you can. There you go. Maybe it doesn't come out well on the camera, but it looks pretty good in real life. But let's have a little see when it dries. There you go. You can just about see there's a little bit of... You got some sparkle in those bricks. Not as much as I expected. Right, so this is fixed. It's not half as sparkly as I would have liked it, so I'm going to try something else now. I'm going to try and mix it with some trade block sealant and go on from there and adhere it to the outside. Got some of this all-purpose paving sealer, and I'm going to add it to some of the remainder of this in this old ramekin from a dessert, mix it together and apply it to the bricks. The downside to this is it tends to look opaque when wet, but that's not when you're appreciating the brickwork. So this is part 2 of the experiment. So we'll see how we get on with that. So you can see it's quite milky in appearance, but that's probably plenty. Okay, mix that around, and we'll see how this sticks in. I might use a little bit more. That's surely enough. So this is now mainly sticking on the outside. Hopefully that will make it look great, or different, or sparkly. We're done. It looks a tiny bit milky. When it dries, it should look dry clear. But it's worth an experiment. find out if it looks half decent when it dries off. Not massively satisfied with the prospects of this, but we'll see. When it dries, we'll find out. Fingers crossed and all that. A day later, you can see the effect, and if you like that, then you can definitely do the same. So that's putting a bit of patio sealant on it to fix it in position on the outside. If you don't have enough to go through the middle of this, there's a whole ton of this stuff in here, but it's just not really shown, so perhaps it's not a great idea for cement, and perhaps I just needed to put a bit more in it. So this is pretty fixed in here, you cannot get that off. I've been brushing it with a brush and scraping it, and it stayed in position, so that'll be there for a while. That looked quite a nice look on it. Yeah, that's it. That was the experiment. Hope it was useful. Till next time. Bye.